Meaning of initialize.
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 Initialize. Initialize refers to the process of preparing something for use or operation by setting its initial values or configurations. For example, when setting up a computer program, initializing may involve configuring various settings and options to ensure that the program performs as intended. In general, initialization is an important step in ensuring that systems and processes are able to function properly and meet the requirements of their users. By setting up the necessary parameters and values at the beginning of a task or process, initialization helps to reduce errors and increase efficiency.